Hello, design lovers. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, where we make beautiful spaces accessible for everyone. Today, I'm absolutely thrilled to share something special: how to bring early spring freshness into your farmhouse-style home using budget-friendly IKEA pieces. We'll walk through every corner of your home, from the charming exterior to your cozy bedroom retreat. If you love practical design tips that won't break the bank, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our weekly inspiration. And please leave a comment below telling me which room you're most excited to refresh this spring. Your home's exterior sets the tone for everything inside, and spring is the perfect time to refresh that farmhouse curb appeal. Consider adding IKEA's Svejka artificial boxwood reeds to your front door. They maintain that fresh spring look without constant upkeep. Flank your entrance with galvanized metal planters filled with early blooms like tulips or daffodils. The soccer watering can in crisp white doubles beautifully as a planter for trailing greenery. Layer in natural textures with a jute doormat, and consider painting your door in a soft sage or warm cream to embody that farmhouse aesthetic. These simple touches create an inviting threshold that whispers spring has arrived. Your entryway is the hardworking hero of your home, and IKEA makes it easy to blend storage with style. The Hemnes coat rack in white provides classic farmhouse appeal with its traditional hooks perfect for jackets and spring scarves. Below, add the Makeover shoe cabinet in white. Its slim profile maximizes space while keeping clutter hidden. The Pinnig bench with storage offers seating for putting on shoes while concealing seasonal items. Hang the line bin mirror above to reflect natural light and create the illusion of more space. Layer a sindel doormat for that final touch, and accessorize with a ceramic vase holding fresh pussy willows or forsythia branches for authentic spring freshness. Transform your living room into a spring sanctuary using IKEA's versatile pieces that embrace the farmhouse ethos of comfort and simplicity. The Ektorp sofa in low-fillet beige provides that slip-covered aesthetic synonymous with farmhouse style. Plus, it's machine washable. Layer with girly cushion covers in soft pastels and natural linen textures. The Liatorp coffee table in white with its glass top offers cottage charm while maintaining an airy feel. Incorporate the Svejka eucalyptus and the Smyka faux flowers in spring hues throughout the space. Add a chunky knit throw from the Omtingsum collection, and don't forget to style your surfaces with vintage-inspired candle holders and whitewashed wooden accessories for that collected over time farmhouse patina. Your dining space deserves a fresh seasonal update that celebrates gathering and connection. Start with the Ingetorp extendable table in white. Its drop-leaf design is perfect for farmhouse flexibility. Pair it with Stefan chairs or mix and match with the Nordviken bench for that casual, lived-in feel. Create a stunning centerpiece using the Vartigen bowl filled with lemons or early spring branches. Layer Dofta placemats in natural jute beneath the off-task dinnerware in white for classic farmhouse simplicity. The Hector pendant lamp in white provides that industrial farmhouse crossover lighting. Style your table with linen napkins, vintage-style glassware, and perhaps a galvanized tray holding small potted herbs. Rosemary or thyme add both beauty and function to your spring tablescape. The kitchen is truly the soul of a farmhouse home, and IKEA offers endless possibilities for a spring refresh. Consider the Enhet kitchen system in white for that clean cottage aesthetic if you're doing a larger renovation. For smaller updates, the Rskog utility cart in white becomes a charming coffee station or mobile herb garden. Display open shelving using Bergschult shelves with Perschult brackets to showcase vintage-inspired dishware and glass canisters. The Tilreda mini hot plate adds flexibility for spring entertaining. Add farmhouse warmth with the Vadholma kitchen island in black for contrast, or use Kungsfors rails to hang utensils and plants. Accessorize with the cork and glass jars for pantry staples, fresh flowers in enamelware pitchers, and woven baskets for that perfect farmhouse blend of form and function. Create an inviting family room where everyone gravitates naturally for spring evenings together. The best TV storage combination in white provides clean lines while hiding media clutter, essential for maintaining farmhouse serenity. Arrange seating around a Vitsto coffee table, whose metal frame adds subtle industrial touches. The Po with Senji armchair with Hilled beige cushion offers that perfect reading spot bathed in spring sunlight. Layer your space with the Oanesi rug in off-white for softness underfoot, and add the Hector floor lamp for task lighting that doesn't compromise style. Incorporate open shelving with the Calyx unit to display family photos in simple frames, vintage finds, and seasonal decor. Throw pillows in spring florals and a lightweight cotton blanket complete this comfort-focused sanctuary. Design a workspace that inspires productivity while maintaining your home's farmhouse aesthetic. The Hemnes desk in white stain offers traditional styling with ample storage, perfect for keeping your workspace organized and serene. Pair it with the Fambin chair for comfortable seating that doesn't sacrifice style. Mount the Skis pegboard above your desk for vertical storage that's both functional and visually interesting. Hang small planters, organizers, and inspirational prints. Add the Fnura Lazy Susan to corral desk supplies with farmhouse flair. A small vintage-style radio brings ambient music, while a classic desk clock from Decad in white keeps you on schedule. Layer in natural elements with a small succulent in a terracotta pot and ensure adequate lighting with the Fours work lamp, creating a space that balances productivity with homey comfort. Carve out a dedicated reading corner that beckons you to slow down and savor the season. The Strandman wing chair in Nordvalla beige provides that classic farmhouse silhouette with its generous proportions and comforting embrace. Position it near a window to maximize natural light, then add the home floor lamp for evening reading sessions. The Lesebo side table in ash veneer offers a perfect perch for your current read and a cup of herbal tea. Layer with the girly cushion in soft spring colors and drape the Ompingsum throw within easy reach. Style your nook with a small stack of vintage books, a simple ceramic vase with fresh-cut lilacs, and perhaps the Gradvis hourglass for intentional, phone-free reading time. This micro-sanctuary becomes your spring refuge. Transform your bedroom into a peaceful spring haven using IKEA's farmhouse-friendly pieces. The Hemnes bed frame in white stain provides traditional styling with its substantial posts and classic lines. Dress it with Dvala sheets in white or soft pastels. Their cotton percale weave offers breathable comfort as temperatures warm. The Limb side table in white brings cottage charm to your bedside. Layer your bed with the Pewter Viva duvet cover in light gray for subtle sophistication, and add textural interest with a chunky knit throw. The Ranarp wall lamp in off-white provides reading light without occupying precious nightstand space. Complete the look with the Sinnerlig pendant lamp in bamboo for organic warmth, fresh eucalyptus in a simple vase, and sheer little curtains that filter morning light beautifully. Even the bathroom deserves a spring refresh with farmhouse sensibility. The Lilmgen sink cabinet in white maximizes storage while maintaining clean lines perfect for smaller spaces. Pair it with the Brogrund faucet in brass color for that vintage-inspired touch that's trending in farmhouse design. The Silvern wall shelf provides additional storage for rolled towels and spring greenery. Add the Storjor mirror with integrated lighting for functionality wrapped in style. Use the Bowman step stool as a plant stand for trailing pothos or ferns. Incorporate the Saxelvin shower curtain in white for simplicity, and layer with organic cotton bewithering above GSJN towels. Accessorize with the Belungen toilet roll holder, woven baskets for toiletries, and apothecary-style glass jars for cotton balls, creating spa-like farmhouse serenity. Your garage can embrace farmhouse functionality with smart IKEA storage solutions that maintain aesthetic appeal. The Ivar shelving system in pine provides customizable storage that improves with age, developing a beautiful patina over time. Use the Kugis storage boxes in white to corral seasonal items, gardening supplies, and spring cleaning tools while keeping everything looking cohesive. The Cottage pegboard system mounted on walls creates vertical storage for frequently used items like gardening gloves and tools. Add the Verriera boxes for smaller hardware organization. The Riscog utility cart becomes mobile storage for spring planting supplies. Mount the Sunnerster rail system for hanging frequently used items. Include a small potting station using a lac wall shelf for spring seedling starts, making your garage both functional and extension of your farmhouse aesthetic throughout your entire property. Extend your farmhouse style outdoors where spring calls us to linger and breathe fresh air. The Plar Outdoor Furniture Collection in brown stained wood provides authentic rustic charm built to weather the seasons beautifully. Create a conversation area with the modular seating, adding HA with ring above lull cushions in beige for comfort. The Tewith Diaries Zara folding chairs offer flexible seating for spring gatherings without sacrificing that vintage farmhouse aesthetic. String the Solvenden solar-powered pendant lamps overhead for magical evening ambience. Use soccer plant stands in white to create vertical interest with cascading flowers and herbs. The Huser outdoor rug defines your space while adding softness underfoot. Layer with galvanized metal buckets filled with seasonal blooms, vintage watering cans as decor, and perhaps a weathered wooden ladder repurposed as a plant display for authentic farmhouse charm. Understanding color is crucial for achieving authentic farmhouse style this spring. Your foundation should embrace what designers call a tonal approach, layers of whites, creams, beiges, and soft grays that create depth without overwhelming the senses. IKEA's white and light beige furniture pieces provide this perfect neutral canvas. Introduce spring through accent colors, soft sage greens, dusty blues, pale yellows, and blush pinks that reference the awakening garden outside. These should appear in textiles, accessories, and fresh flowers rather than larger furniture pieces. The key to farmhouse color success is restraint. Allow natural materials like wood, linen, cotton, and metal to provide textural interest while keeping the palette serene and cohesive. This creates that effortless, collected over time aesthetic that defines true farmhouse style. The real magic of farmhouse design lies not in color but in texture, what designers call tactile layering. IKEA makes this accessible through their material selections. Combine smooth painted woods like the Hemnes collection with raw natural fibers, jute rugs, linen curtains, cotton slipcovers, and woven baskets. Add metals in vintage-inspired finishes. Think galvanized steel, brushed brass, and matte black iron. Glass jars, ceramic crocks, and terracotta pots introduce organic elements that reference farmhouse roots. The Sinnerlich collection's handwoven designs add artisanal quality. Layer smooth against rough, matte against subtle sheen, soft against structured. This textural richness creates visual interest and warmth without requiring expensive pieces. It's about thoughtful combination rather than costly investment, the democratic beauty of authentic farmhouse style. Lighting dramatically impacts your farmhouse atmosphere, and spring offers opportunities to maximize natural light while adding warm artificial sources. Start by keeping window treatments minimal. IKEA's lace curtains or simple AINA linen panels filter light without blocking it. For task lighting, choose fixtures with vintage industrial influences. The Hector Pendant Collection, Ranarp wall lamps, or Fours work lights all channel farmhouse sensibility. Layer ambient lighting through table lamps like the Louder ceramic base or the Nix Holt bamboo pendant for organic warmth. Consider what designers call accent lighting, the Strela LED candles or string lights that add warmth without harshness. Dimmers are your secret weapon, allowing you to adjust mood throughout the day. Remember, farmhouse lighting should feel warm and welcoming, never cold or clinical. Farmhouse style celebrates functionality, and spring cleaning demands smart storage that doesn't compromise aesthetics. IKEA's approach aligns perfectly with farmhouse principles. Everything has a place, and that place should be beautiful. The Calyx shelving holds Nipsa baskets, storage that's accessible yet concealing clutter. The Ivar system grows with your needs while maintaining rustic appeal. Use Verriera organizers inside cabinets to maximize vertical space. The Makeover shoe storage tucks away seasonal footwear while maintaining slim profiles. Vintage-inspired metal bins, wooden crates, and woven baskets from IKEA's ranges like Darcis or Nara provide what designers call open storage, items you use daily displayed beautifully. The farmhouse philosophy embraces visible organization when items are beautiful. Mason jars of pantry staples, collections of vintage dishes, stacks of cozy throws, creating functional decor. Accessories transform IKEA's functional pieces into personalized farmhouse havens reflecting your unique style. Start with what designers call organic elements, fresh flowers in simple Vartigan vases, branches in vintage pitchers, potted herbs in terracotta. Add vintage-inspired pieces, enamelware, old books, wooden cutting boards displayed vertically, and ceramic crocks. The IKEA 365 Plus glass containers become apothecary jars when filled with dried beans or pasta. Layer textiles generously. Table runners, throw pillows, blankets in natural fibers. Include handmade elements when possible. Knitted throws, embroidered pillows, hand-woven baskets add warmth that mass production cannot. Restrict accessories to cohesive color palette. Embrace asymmetry over perfect symmetry. And remember the farmhouse mantra, edited abundance. Your space should feel collected and loved, not sparse or overly curated. True farmhouse style has always embraced sustainability, using what you have, repurposing with creativity, and investing in quality over quantity. IKEA's commitment to sustainable materials aligns beautifully with these values this spring. Choose solid wood pieces like Hemnes, Lesabo, or Norden that improve with age rather than particle board that deteriorates. The Kungsfors Bamboo series offers renewable materials with aesthetic appeal. Opt for natural fiber textiles, Dvala cotton, Aina linen, Lohals jute, that biodegrade and often improve with washing. Repurpose IKEA pieces creatively. Erskog carts become plant stands. Ivar shelves transform into room dividers. Vacuum step stools serve as side tables. This resourceful approach, what designers now call circular design, has always defined authentic farmhouse living. You're not just decorating, you're making choices that honor both budget and planet. Achieving farmhouse style doesn't require unlimited funds, just thoughtful strategy and IKEA's accessible pricing. Prioritize investment in larger neutral pieces, sofas, beds, dining tables in white or natural wood that transcend trends. Refresh seasonally through affordable accessories, pillows, throws, flowers, and small decor items. Shop IKEA's SAS section for discounted floor models. Minor imperfections add authentic patina to farmhouse style. Combine IKEA pieces with thrift store finds, flea market treasures, and DIY projects for that collected aesthetic. What designers call high-low mixing defines smart decorating. Invest where it matters, save where it doesn't. A $30 IKEA side table looks expensive when styled with fresh flowers and vintage books. Use paint to unify mismatched pieces. White paint transforms disparate items into cohesive collections. Your farmhouse style reflects creativity and resourcefulness, not expenditure. Thank you so much for joining me on this complete farmhouse spring transformation using accessible IKEA pieces. I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to bring these ideas into your own home, room by room. Remember, farmhouse style isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that welcome, comfort, and reflect your personal story. Start small, perhaps with just one room or even one corner, and build from there as your confidence grows. I'd absolutely love to see your spring farmhouse projects, so please share photos in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with friends who also love beautiful, budget-friendly design. And don't forget to subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating and welcome spring into your beautiful farmhouse home.